Look at what we have here. Can you be able to solve it? This is the arrangement is different. Okay, so once you are given this kind of question, don't panic. All right, here what we have here, this equation is equals to this equation equals to this equation. All right, so from this equation we are given, we are to make out two equations from it. All right, we are to make out two equations. We are to equate this equation to this and also equate this equation to this. Then we can solve. All right, so we're going to have 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals to 3x plus y, and also x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 3x plus y. We are going to name them equation 1, equation 2. Alright, so here we are to collect like terms. Alright, here we have x here, we also have x here. We have y here, we have y here, and we have 2 here. So this 2 is moving to this side, while our x and y is coming over to this side to meet this x and y here. So we're going to have 3 come over here. We're going to have here as minus x. Y come over here. We are going to have here as minus 4y. And here we're going to have 2 will move here, minus 2. Likewise here, this x come over to this here, to this place, we're going to have minus 2x. Right? This y come over here, we're going to have plus y. This 5 will move over to this side, 5. You can name it equation 3 and equation 4. Now we are to use elimination method. In order to eliminate x, we are multiplying equation 1 with 2, with minus 2. Alright, so we are going to have times here with minus 2. Here is going to give us 2x. While here is going to give us plus 8x. And here is going to give us equals to 4. You can name it equation 5. Alright? So you can say, you can add the two equations. Alright? You can add them together. Adding them together, we'll be able to eliminate this x here. Alright? Adding them, this minus 2 plus 2 is going to give us 0. Alright? So we are cancel out this one. Adding this together, we are going to have 9y equals to, adding 5 to 4, we are going to have 9. So dividing both sides by 9, 9, 9, 1, 1, 1. So our y, the value of our y is equals to 1. Right? We have gotten our y as 1. So the next thing is to find our x. The normal way, substitute for y equals to 1 in any of these equations. Alright? Either equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So substitute for y equals to 1 in any of the equations for you to be able to find your x. Alright, we are using equation 5. And equation 5 is 2x plus 8y equals to 4. Equals to 4. So substituting for y equals to 1. we are going to have 2x plus 8 times 1 equals to 4. 2x plus 8 equals to 4, right? So it is 2x. So we have 2x equals to 4 minus 8, alright? We want to have 2x equals to this minus this minus 4. So you're dividing both sides by what? By 2. That is the coefficient of this x, alright? For us to be able to cancel out these 2, we are dividing both sides by 2, alright? So we're going to have this over 2, this over 2. 1 here, this here is 2. So the value of our x is equals to minus 2, alright? While the value of our y is equals to 1, alright? We have gotten the value of our x and the value of our y. As you can see, it's easy as that.